Hi, I am Imran, managing partner in Maraica Industries. We are in this business for more than 6 decades. We are manufacturing sheet metal components, powder coating, ED coating, welding, and all the necessary parts for automotive and non-automotive components. We have a capability of producing 5 million pieces a month in all segments. We do process zero point 0.2 thickness to 8 thickness of various material from cold roll to hot roll and high tensile steels also, and even an aluminum also. We have a capability of processing with progressive dies and stage-wise toolings. We are exporting to Poland, Thailand, Turkey, and Brazil. So this is our exposure. Contact number is 9500 48444. Thank you.
Hi, I am Zainul Abdin, Director of Seiko Maraica Electrical Manufacturing Private Limited. We do wiring harness for all the sectors like EV mobility, two-wheeler, three-wheeler, and all sorts of four-wheelers, everything we are doing. So we are going global now because EV is in the latest mode actually. I think that is the future. So we are into e-mobility.
So we are manufacturing this EV, two-wheelers, three-wheelers and four-wheelers complete body harness as well as the battery cables and a harness for hub motors, harness for controllers, harness for apart from EVs we are into this medical sector, power sector, home appliances and four-wheelers also. So we cater across multiple sectors and we are one of the largest manufacturers of wire rollers in the South Market.
I am Syed Ahmed, General Manager of Seiko Maraica. As our director has explained you and my project manager has explained you, we are into specialized EV wiring harness. We can give you a retrofit harnesses also. So across the industry, not only in automobile sections, we are into home appliances as you know. We are into home appliances for this three-wheeler sectors, four-wheelers also we have been approaching us. So we can do us. Any inquiries, please contact us. info@seikomaraica.co.in